Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch module up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is September 28, 2023, Thursday. Option expiry for both BankNifty and Nifty, because it is a month end. Okay, first the levels, then as always the power of technical analysis. Nifty closed 0.49% down at 19,675.55. and BankNifty closed at 44,300.95, 0.64% down, while Nifty had a very big fall and it fell nearly 1%, 0.98% down and closed at 19,523.55. Before we go into the levels, the power of technical analysis. If you recollect, what is the level? We had said that support and resistance that will act, because these are all very important levels. That's why we said that the August month high will act as a resistance. August month high was 45,782.80 for BankNifty, while we had said that monthly upper band for Nifty, which is at 19,992 or somewhere, we said 19,942, we said that I had another 40 points that will act as a resistance. On the lower side, if you clearly see, we had said that August month low of 43,600 we told for BankNifty, while for Nifty we said 19,223.70. Many people today were massacred. Yes, I am using the word massacred. Why? In the morning, it opened the gap up. If you recollect, yesterday it formed a powerful reversal, and particularly it formed bullish engulf type candle, and particularly bullish bar reversal, strong bullish bar reversal Nifty formed. That's a very powerful reversal if one were to know about the bar charts, right? Today what happened? It formed an opposite candle, which is bearish, strong bearish bar reversal. So what happened? BankNifty, Nifty, everything opened a gap up. Normally, when in such circumstances, when it opens gap up, in fact, today's opening, any amateur would have just trapped severely. Why? Because the opening itself was higher than yesterday's high. That means it's something very powerful. I mean, people would have thought that yes, it's all bullish, all hunky-dory, and TV anchors started cheering. Okay, our market didn't fall that much. They got excited. Everybody got excited. Fantastic. Market is market, right? It came down. It gave a warning signal. But at the end, in the first hour candle, one remembers and sees, one who knows candle will know that it formed a hanging man. It's a hanging man, right? It's a very, very difficult candle, okay? Hanging man, and yesterday if you see, it went up significantly, and hanging man touching the Bollinger upper band in the hourly chart. It's a clear signal of reversal. The next candle was a solid red candle. One has to close the eyes and play accordingly. It's very clear. Market is on a down. The only thing is that it started going down so severely, and in every hour, every 5 minutes, it was always below the 9 exponential moving average. It was not able to break above that. That was a clear indication that market is on a significant fall, and particularly why Nifty was singled out today, because yesterday was Nifty was singled out and it closed powerfully. It was like a, what you call, false up move or something, which was a trap, bull trap I would call. So people were trapped. Many people were trapped. I know many people would have been trapped, and many traders would have been trapped severely on both sides. Morning in the first, initially in the gap up opening, those who are short would have gone frantically to cover their position. Then when it came down and again went up, they again would have got panic. So that is what market is all about. That is why one needs to master technical analysis to understand these nuances. Anyway, the power of technical analysis, whatever we said, it is within the level. That's why one has to have a very good range and play according to that range if you have to be successful. Because we are not sub-registered, we cannot give any levels. We are just telling this is a... So today what happened? Hence no, we will not give any levels. We were just what you call any price targets or anything. We cannot give. Today what happened? It formed finally the 100-day for BankNifty was broken down decisively, and for Nifty it is the 50 days broken down decisively. Not only that, in the weekly chart, the 20-week is also broken down decisively by Nifty. So that means it is on a significant downtrend, because it was in a down, yesterday's up move, it was a false trap, after which it opened touching near the Bollinger middle band. If you recollect, I said that there will be an attempt to go near the Bollinger middle band. The attempt would have been successful if it would have been a normal gradual up move instead of opening gap up. So hence today's move is definitely a continuation of the downward trend. Hence one has to be cautious. Next is when we analyze the weekly chart. Last week it formed a solid red candle. This week it formed a shooting star type of a candle, and it is below the previous week candle. And tomorrow also nothing much is going to happen. If at all anything happens, it will fall further. And tomorrow month end is over. October, one has to be extremely cautious. I have been cautioning people. If you recollect, since August itself I have been cautioning about October. October is going to be a month which is going to be a troublesome month for particularly amateurs, fledgling, what do you call, the new traders, okay, or small bulls, and also people who are only long only trades. It is going to be a tough time for them. Hence you play cautiously, discuss with your investment advisor and play accordingly. Anyway, we'll go into the points. With all these things, it is on a significant downtrend. In the monthly chart also, it is all the three. Of course, Nifty is better. Has formed a shooting star type candle. Normally, a shooting star at the bottom is a good sign. It can happen that way. It can go up next month also, but we need how the global markets perform. Okay. Anyway, next month we will have some cool off in the US 10-year Treasury yield and dollar index, which might help in some serenity coming in. But whether it holds the market or not, we have to see. But tomorrow it is a gone case. It is more or less at the same level. Banks, Bandhan Bank, Yes Bank fell 1%, IndusInd and Kotak fell 2%, AU, Federal, IDFC fell 3%, Axis 1% up. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and SBI remained sideways. That is why today BankNifty did not fall that much, and also FinNifty also did not fall. Why? Because Bajaj Finance and Shriram fell 1% on financials. Finserv, Bajaj Finserv, LIC Housing Finance, M&M Finance 2% down, Muthoot 3% down, Manappuram 1% up and Chola 2% up. Insurance and cards, SBI cards, SBI Life 1% down, HDFC Life, ICICI Pru, ICICI General 1% down, LIC 1% up. Oil and telecom, Reliance 1% down. That's why you had Nifty falling. and LIC and Bharati Airtel 1% up. In the IT, Coforge, SCL, Intellect, TCS 1% down, LTIM, Emphasis 3% down, Infi and LTTS 2% down, Techam 4% down. That explains why your Nifty fell while BankNifty did not fall that much. IT fall was so severe, and of course consumer also fell. Consumer, Nestle 1% down, ABFRL, Britannia, HUL, ITC, Titan, Trent all down 2%, Colpal and Pidilite down 3%, Asian Paints 4%, Berger 5% down. Obviously that explains, right? Automobiles, Bajaj Auto, Bharat Forge, Hero Motors, Maruti, Tata Motors 1% down, M&M and Motherson 2% down, Escorts 3% down. TVS Motor remained flat. Any stock that remained flat today is a fantastic stock today, at least for today. On the metal, Jindal, JSW, SAIL, Tata Steel 1% down, Hindalco 2% down. Others all remained flat. It's good for at least for today. Health and Pharma, Cipla, Dr. Reddy, Sun Pharma, Lalpath 1% down, Apollo Hospitals 2% down, Divi's and Metropolis 3% down. In the others category, Adani Ports, APL Apollo, India Cements, IRCTC, Polycab, Ultratech 1% down, DLF, Havels, Indigo, Jubilant Food, UPL 2% down. L&T up by 1%, Eris up by 2%, Nykaa 3% up, MCX continued its up journey up by 8%. So power of technical analysis, that's why I say that if someone wants to become a professional trader, first and foremost, you understand whether you have the acumen, knowledge and intelligence to understand technical analysis, and then if you have the acumen, then go for it, put hard efforts, learn technical analysis, master it, then you can win if you are a trader. Otherwise just be an investor or invest in mutual funds. Thank you very much.